Hello, and there you are. Thank you for coming back to The Right Side of Life. I'm Sid, and together we are going to once again explore this month's vegetable, the pumpkin. With the pumpkin today, along with some chickpeas, we're going to make a delicious, flavorful soup. So to make the soup today, we are going to be using this boiled pumpkin, जिसको हमने काटा है और थोड़ी देर तक boil किया है. I have left the skin on. अगर आप चाहें आप उसको उतार भी सकते हैं. Then here we have some chickpeas और सफेद चने. इसको भी हमने थोड़े से नमक के साथ उबाला है. And then here we have some onions. And here's our garam masala. There is some garlic. That is your lemon juice. Here we have some lemon zest. And finally here we have some pomegranate seeds. Now the pomegranate seeds is a surprise in this recipe. Every once in a while in a bite we'll get a burst of sweetness. And we'll be using butter to make this whole soup in. Now, I'm going to ask you this question right now and I will give you the answer later. What is the difference between lemon zest and lemon juice? Lemon zest or lemon juice के बीच में क्या फर्क है? Now you think about this while you watch the rest of the video. शुरू करें? The first thing we're going to do is mash the chickpeas and the pumpkin together. So now the first thing we're going to do is mash our pumpkin. और इसको हम इस बोल में डालते हैं. And some chickpeas on top of that. और इसको ऐसे मैश कर दीजिए. अब हमने इसको मैश कर दिया है. Now I've left it a little coarse. If you choose, you can make it fine, but I like it this way. It gives a bit of bite and a bit of texture to the soup, which I like very much. इसके बाद हम इसको फायर पे डालेंगे and let's make some soup. Now let's melt some butter. और इसके अंदर हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा प्याज. And then some लहसुन. अब इसके अंदर we will add that mashed mixture of pumpkin and chickpeas. उसको अच्छे से मिक्स कर दीजिए. अब हमने इसको अच्छे से मिक्स कर दिया है एंड वी विल नाउ ऐड सम वाटर टू दिस. आखिर में सूप है ना. मेक इट एज गाढ़ा और एज थिक और डाइल्यूटेड एज यू लाइक. अब वील जस्ट मिक्स दिस अ लिटिल बिट मोर नाउ एंड देन वील ब्रिंग इट टू अ बॉयल. While this boils, let me share a few interesting things about the pumpkin. Did you know it has 170% of your daily vitamin A requirement? It's also got a load of vitamin C. इसलिए आप इसको कम से कम हफ्ते में एक बार तो खाइएगा. We'll add some salt to this now. अब इसके अंदर डालेंगे थोड़ा सा गरम मसाला. Mix it a bit. And now some lemon juice. And next some lemon zest. So the difference between lemon juice and lemon zest is that lemon juice is sour, khatta, while lemon zest is lemony. And you'll find it makes such a big difference in the food that we cook with both of them or with one of them if you just pay a little attention. अब इसके अंदर डालेंगे some pomegranate seeds. And switch off our gas. That's it. All we have to do now is pour it into some bowls and go and have ourselves a delicious soup. Now I'm going to serve me some nice soup. Now let's garnish it with a bit of mint. ऊपर से थोड़ा सा पेपर एंड बी डन।